I started exploring the topic of my project with the mathematical 3D model. Then I have found the interesting structure that gives an idea of reconfigurable material, the infinity cube. Let us have a short description of the cube. The infinity cube is made up from 8 single cubes. When you unfold the cube, 3 new surfaces appear. You can see that there are 2 possible green and blue formats in the cube. The infinity cube usually is a picture cube. All sides have the same color, but they show 9 different pictures, 6 outside and 3 inside. Each individual cube has 6 squares. So there are 6 into 8, which means 48 squares in total, from which 24 squares are visible outside while it is in the normal form and 24 are hidden. You can produce 3 rectangles and 8 squares each by folding the cube, where each of the combinations are different from each other. The position of the 8 hinges becomes clear from the following drawings. Let us have a look at the building of the cube. I built the cube by folding. The first thing I did is making the side of the cube. I prepared square paper with 8 into 8 cm dimension. Then divided it into quarter, then folded it as follows. One complete trapezoid is one side of the cube. You can complete a cube by connecting 6 pieces of it. Then I wanted the connector to be hinge. The dimension of connector is shown by red one in the picture. But I don't need that precisely length, so I made the cube with 8 and 8 cm paper. So I made the hinge with 6 into 6 cm paper to be the connector. Let us have a look at the uses of the cube for making teaching easy. It can be used by math teachers to make students understand the conditions necessary to have 2 different 3D figures with same volume, and also to have different solid made up of cube having same volume. But it only works with cubes and cuboids. Another use of it is that it can be used to make students of physics understand the transformation of objects and center of mass concepts more easily and in a fun manner. It also helps in understanding hinge mechanism and rotation of object, as it can move in all axes with the help of hinges, and all the 48 sides of cubes are visible in a 2 rotation cycle. And also, as proved by research, another additional use of this infinity cube is that it helps to get rid of addictions and other stress, which is nowadays common in our youth. And thus, finally, I can say that students can get rid of addictions and stress by playing with the cube and also learning some basic concepts of math and physics at the same time. So it's very useful. I hope you liked my project. The name of the project is Infinity Cube and it's prepared by Vansh Bharti.